Hello everyone, how are you all? In this crypto video, I am going to have a talk on BitGut price. So here is the market rank of BitGut. It is 432 currently, and in near future, this market rank from BitGut can go from 432 to 430. So here I will do the price analysis of BitGut price, that what can be the future prediction of BitGut. So please watch my video till end, and if you haven't subscribed my channel till yet, please subscribe my channel so that you will never miss my any other video on cryptocurrency. So if I talk about the current price of BitGut, you can see here, and in 24 hour this coin has given a return of 0.46%. But if I see the price analysis of BitGut price in near 7 days, 30 days and 90 days, you can see that this coin has not given so much of good return, because in 7 days from today's current date it has been down with 12.19%, and in 30 days it been down with 29.44%. So yes, take a caution while investing in this, because for now it is not giving a good return. But if I say for long term future time, I can say that this kind has the potential to give you a great return. But for the short term, I can't say anything for now. It might can give you a good return, it might can't give you a good return. It depends on various factor of BitGut. Whereas there are some market also from where you can trade BitGut price. Let me show you some market. Like there is one market, get.io. If you want to trade BitGut price, then you can trade it in get.io also. Other platform also there, like PancakeSwap, B2, KuCoin. Okay, you can check all this platform also. And let me show you what is the prediction on BitGut price, means what the user think. So one user has wrote that price were moving upward. I love it when I don't see any annoying bears posting their garbage on what is one of the best altcoin in existence. So according to him, that price is moving upward and can give you a good return. Second reason, also written a good thing about BitGut. Like this, you can read a review also related to BitGut. What crypto user think about BitGut? That BitGut will give you a good return, or BitGut will give you a less return. Like this, you can read a review also. Whereas if you want to check historical data of BitGut price, you can definitely check the historical data also of BitGut price. So if I talk about the price prediction of BitGut price, see, in near 7 days, there is highly a chance that this coin can give you a return of more than 2.15% according to my analysis. But now this coin is going down, but I'm talking about near 7 days. There is highly a chance that this coin can give you a return of more than 2.15%. When this coin will cross $1, I will talk about it later, but before that, it's necessary for this coin to cross $0.01. Let's focus on $0.01, not for $1. Now we'll go at the X account of BitGut, and we'll see is there any latest update on BitGut price or not. So here there are some current news related to BitGut price on their on their X post. So here you can see BEFE/price pair is now live on PancakeSwap. So now you can trade and earn price BEF with zero tax fee. Okay, so BEFE/price pair is now live. Other thing also is there, let me see. Okay, do you know 23 hours ago they posted something. Do you know our new staking platform about to go live, and it is related to the PancakeSwap. As you can see here, written that BEFE/price pair is now live on PancakeSwap. If I talk about the current followers of BitGut price on Twitter, they currently have 587k followers, and very soon it is highly a chance that this coin can cross 600k followers on Twitter. Whereas is there any other update or not? So for now there is not any other update. 4 days ago they have made one post that we are making great progress on our current roadmap as we dive into phase 2 milestone. So their team is focused on the exchange redesign for both the web version and Android. You can stay tuned for some amazing updates coming your way. So if you haven't followed BitGut price on X, you can follow so that you can have some latest update. See, every crypto person have a favorite cryptocurrency. Some user love BitGut, so some user may love other cryptocurrency. So it depends. If you love BitGut, then it's better to follow BitGut on X account so that you never miss any latest update. If you want to visit the official website of BitGut, so here is the official website also, bitgut.com, where you can visit to get a latest update related to the BitGut price. If I talk about the feature of BitGut price, from my opinion, I can see that the future of Bitcoin price is actually good. Okay, and when this coin will cross dollar one, for this there are many other factors to consider also. If you want to check paired link, you can come at X account and you can check the paired link from here also. And one user has posted that top 5 altcoin to buy this week. On this one there is more name and it is Bryce also. As we know that Bryce is the altcoin only, and people for now also think that Bryce is one of the great coin to buy. So this is the video on Bitcoin price. And one more thing, let's see, before having an investment in any crypto, maybe it Bitcoin price or any other crypto, it is important to do a crypto market research, because crypto market is extremely volatile. If the coin is going down today, then the chances that the coin will go up also in next day. So before investing, do a proper crypto market research. We'll see you soon in another cryptocurrency video.